Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make raspberry lemonade. First, you will need fresh raspberries, lemons, sugar, and water. Begin by creating a simple syrup. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently until the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. This sweet base is crucial for balancing the tartness of the lemons and the fruit. Next, let's prepare the raspberry puree. Take about 1 cup of fresh raspberries and blend them until they are completely smooth. Once blended, pour the puree through a fine mesh sieve into a bowl. Press down on the solids to extract all the juice, leaving the seeds behind. This process gives your lemonade a beautiful color and a smooth, delightful raspberry flavor without any gritty bits. Now it's time to bring everything together. Squeeze fresh lemons to get approximately 1 cup of juice. In a large pitcher, combine the cooled simple syrup, the strained raspberry puree, and the fresh lemon juice. Stir these ingredients well. Then, gradually add 3 to 4 cups of cold water or more until your lemonade reaches your preferred strength and sweetness. Taste and adjust as needed. Finally, pour your homemade raspberry lemonade over plenty of ice. Garnish each glass with a few fresh raspberries and a sprig of mint for an extra touch of elegance and aroma. This vibrant, refreshing drink is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.